Crypto Underground is back with another video, and today we're gonna cover Solana, which is finally breaking out, guys. We're gonna have a look into Solana, and also I'm gonna show you some new Solana projects that are upcoming during this altcoin season. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Our community is growing every day, guys. Welcome on board. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, and keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying and selling with you guys here in the crypto space. I'm sharing all my journey here in the crypto space with you guys. Of course, I'm always covering the newest cryptos that I'm buying, and of course also whatever I'm trading and where I am trading as well. You can check out all exchanges that I'm using here in the video description, get some nice deposit bonuses and so on. Even if you're interested in mining, crypto mining, maybe try out Kudo Miner or get a hardware wallet and so on. Check out the links, guys. And now let's dive here into the chart of Solana, the star of the show, because finally we are seeing this breakthrough, and as expected, guys, Solana is now on the way, in my opinion, towards new all-time highs. And with Solana, of course, we're gonna see everything related to Solana also pumping nicely, and you can see that even though all the other altcoins are correcting right now, Solana keeps pushing here higher and higher. And I think that very soon we're gonna see not only new all-time highs, but slowly go towards my bullish target for this bull run in maybe even 2026. Who knows how long this bull run will take place. But even if we just see the bull run over the next coming weeks and months, maybe topping out somewhere towards the end of this year, I'm still expecting that Solana will reach at least $1,500, maybe even more than that. We will see. No one can tell that, guys. But of course, we are going to see much higher levels for Solana, in my opinion. Of course, no financial advice, but I think that Solana will be one of the most and best performing assets here in the crypto space, next to Ethereum, XRP, and many meme coins that I have already. But Solana will do great, guys, and therefore I'm not only trading right now Solana on my exchanges that I like to trade the most, like Bybit or Maxi Global and so on. You can of course also sign up to those exchanges with my links and get some extra deposit bonuses. I'm currently also buying into new crypto projects, which are of course also profiting a lot from the Solana pump. And of course, if we're gonna see Solana trading above $1,000, then you can be sure that everything that has to do with pump.fun, the pump token, and all kind of new Solana projects, like also Snorterbot, for example, a new trading bot on top of Solana, which is of course aiming the pump.fun meme coins that are launching like every few seconds, of course performing very well. Hopefully, at least in my opinion, that's the case, because in the past we have seen in previous altcoin seasons that of course everything related to the main coin, the main layer one, which was performing very well, that also everything correlated to that one was pumping nicely. And Snorterbot is the next Solana meme coin crypto trading bot, and that's why I'm buying currently into this one. And not only Snorterbot, we have different new Solana projects coming up that I'm very bullish at. Not all of them are meme coins. Some of them of course have also a utility behind it. So check out the links in the video description, guys. Here, new upcoming crypto projects before exchange launch. You can check out all of them, and I'm gonna tell you which one of them are right now the ones on top of Solana. Of course, first of all, it is Snorter. This Snorter token is of course this newest trading bot that is coming out. It is featured already in different crypto websites, as you can see here. They pass through different audits and so on, and this one is basically going to be like a meme coin and also this utility coin, because it's going to be a trading bot on top of Solana. If you want to be buying with me into this one here, guys, currently if you want to buy, the only way is through the pre-market phase on their website. Connect here a DeFi wallet of your choice. If you don't have one, just set up one for free, and of course top it up with some cryptos like Ethereum, Tether, USDT, USDC and so on, because this is needed in order to buy into this coin. And then the coins will be locked here on the website until launch. I keep you updated, so be subscribed here. And right now, because of the high staking reward of 182% rewards, I would definitely buy with staking, because like that you're gonna have more and more coins until launch. Keep in mind that the staked balance will have a 7-day lockup period at launch. Once you bought with staking, for the coins that you buy without staking, there is no lockup period, and also for the rewards that you're getting, there is also no lockup period at launch. But for the ones that you're staking it, yes, they have a 7-day lockup period, so keep that in mind whenever you're buying. Otherwise, you can of course just buy without staking, but right now the staking rewards are very attractive, and that's why right now I'm buying with staking. You can see also the price per coin, everything here on the dashboard, and of course also how much you can get if you're spending, for example, $500 and so on. And here the countdown is the countdown until the next price increase. You can see that they are raising a lot of funds recently. That is because, of course, Solana is pumping nicely to the upside, and therefore, of course, also the Snort token is profiting a lot from that. And then we also have other Solana projects coming up, like this one, Glimmer Finance, powered by Solana. This is going to be the first real world asset marketplace on top of Solana. Also here we can invest right now at a very cheap price before the launch price of 6 cents. As you can see, currently the price is $0.003, so not even half of a cent, and this one is launching at 6 cents. So also here we can already buy into this coin before it is coming out. This one is going to be the first real world asset marketplace combining basically real world assets, so RWA, and also the crypto space. It is going to be completely AI driven. So also this one here I'm bullish, and I bought also into this one here. The same story, you can connect to a DeFi wallet of your choice, and then you can connect and buy into this coin here. They also have this bonus system, so if you're spending a certain amount of the first investment, basically you will get a nice bonus here as well. No staking available here, but you can see here on the calculator here in theory how much gains you can do with this one once it's coming out, and of course once it is also tradable on exchanges. I keep you updated on Glimmer Finance as well, of course, guys. Then we have also Solanax AI, this new AI driven decentralized exchange that will come out as well. Also here you can click the link in the video description. All of them are linked here, of course. Glimmer Finance, we have Solanax AI, and so on. They're all linked here. And also Solanax AI is going to be an AI-driven platform. So we see right now a lot of those AI-driven decentralized exchanges and platforms, and this is it is just because it is very hyped, this AI thing right now, and everything that has to do with AI and cryptos and so on currently is mooning. And that's why also I'm buying into those coins, guys. I'm not really buying them only because of the immediate short-term gains, but also for the long term they have upside potential. Of course, during bear markets probably they also will go down with the whole crypto space or once we're gonna enter again into a bear market. But until then, I like to buy into those coins because the upside potential is of course huge. Nothing is guaranteed, guys, no promises, nothing. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm doing here since years, and I like to buy into those kind of coins whenever we are in a bull run. And I think that the big altcoin season is still in front of us. Also here they have kind of a bonus system. The more you spend here, as you can see, the more bonus you can get up to $2,500, then the bonus will stay the same. So think twice before you're buying here pieces of those coins, because if you're anyway planning, for example, to put $1,000 into this one, better to do it all in once, because like that of course you get these 10% bonuses on top of your coins. Also here, no staking possible. That's only possible on Snorter, so that's why here I'm staking as much as possible, as soon as possible, because like that you're going to get more and more coins until launch, and then hopefully it will do great, of course, hopefully. But those are basically the new upcoming coins, guys, that I'm watching out right now, especially once Solana is going completely ham, because I think that once Solana is going higher and higher, we're going to see everything related to Solana also going to the moon. Hopefully, of course. At least those are my expectations, guys, and I think that Solana will do great. We are currently breaking out from this falling wedge. That's a very bullish pennant. In theory, the breakout target of this falling wedge is up here at the all-time high at $262, but I think that once Solana is creating new all-time highs, we can go very, very quickly here towards $1,500, especially once Bitcoin is also creating new all-time highs. Alright, guys, that's it for now. Let me know, what do you think about those Solana projects that are upcoming. I'm very bullish about different ones, especially the ones that are very, very hyped, like Snorterbot. That's one of the most hypest one. The other two, you don't see them really here yet in different crypto websites. Of course, they're mentioned and featured in different crypto websites, but Snorterbot is the only one that most of the websites have, at least in the top 5, maybe even top 3 of upcoming cryptos to watch out right now. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I keep you updated on all of them. Be subscribed here. Thank you very much for your great support. Crypto Underground over for now.